If your Ford Explorer's dashcam is just a pretty ornament, you're missing out on protection. Let's fix that, fast. First things first, check the power. Is the dashcam plugged in securely? Wiggle the cable. If the camera's light doesn't come on, try a different charging port or a new cable. Still nothing? Check your vehicle's fuse box. Locate the fuse for the dashcam or the accessory port. If the fuse looks blown, swap it out for a new one with the same rating. Next, inspect the memory card. Remove it, wipe it clean, and reinsert. Sometimes a full or corrupted card will freeze your camera. Try formatting the card on your computer, or swap in a new one. If you see an error message, check your dashcam's manual or the manufacturer's website for specific fixes. Sometimes a quick settings reset or firmware update is all it takes. And finally, if nothing works, try the dashcam in another vehicle. If it still won't power up, you might need a replacement. There you go. Troubleshooting your Ford Explorer dashcam doesn't have to be complicated. Get back on the road with peace of mind and a working camera.